When you stay in a hotel room, you expect to find fresh, clean sheets. But is that always the case? No! Don't jump!
Who are you?
I just saved your life. You were about to jump on dirty bed sheets.
What are you talking about? I just booked this room. They would have changed the sheets.
Well, right. Most hotel rooms are supposed to change their sheets after every guest. However, check this out.
Ah! How do I know if these are clean sheets?
We created Revealed. Rechargeable UV light especially designed for travelers. By using multi-wavelength UV and 180 degrees wide angle, Revealed finds hidden fluids that most other UV lights can easily miss. Using Revealed is very easy. Simply turn on Revealed and start to scan it on certain areas, like the bathroom, toilet seats, walls, and of course the bed.
Holy sh!
I'm sure glad you didn't lay on it. And when you need a bright light, with just the click of a button, Reveal turns into a flashlight.
What do I do about these sheets?
In an outdoor emergency, 3 elements are essential: fire, light, and power. And now you have a tool that brings you all 3 and more. Introducing PYYROS, the ultimate outdoor survival multi-tool. Use PYYROS' weatherproof Crossfire fire starter to start a fire wherever you are. Or use the 1000 lumen LED tactical flashlight to light your path. It has an emergency strobe light and the battery lasts over 6 hours. PYYROS is also a USB power generator with enough power for 2 full phone charges. With several methods of recharge, including your car, wind, and water power, PYYROS will make sure you are running at full power all day long. Give yourself complete peace of mind by carrying the PYYROS dual-band personal beacon locator with 24-hour transmission, so search and rescue teams can locate you in an emergency from anywhere on the planet. To hold you over, use the water-purifying iodine tablets to purify your drinking water, or customize this component with your own medicines or emergency pills. PYYROS is full of tools to give you the convenience of your tool chest in your pocket. From the stainless steel and titanium hammer cap to the 6-piece screwdriver set, you'll have everything you need to survive in the outdoors. PYYROS is 100% modular, customizable, and expandable. And with its aviation-grade aluminum anodized construction, it's virtually indestructible. We've chosen our manufacturers that have already made several fully functioning PYYROS units that are of the highest quality standard. PYYROS is the real deal, the ultimate outdoor survival multi-tool. So join us. Take PYYROS everywhere, from your own household to your worldwide outdoor adventures. Please back us today.
Sex.
That's a really weird way to start off.
I'm just stalling right now, hoping she's in the mood for some horizontal hustle.
And I'm just waiting for him to make the first move so we can do the mattress mambo.
I love her.
And I love him.
I'm just not always sure she's ready to do some dancing in the sheets when I am. I've been shut down before. It's kind of embarrassing.
Not right now, I'm all sweaty. Me too. Eventually, it leads us to stop trying as often. Well, you're in luck because there's LoveSync.
LoveSync is a device that lets you know when both of you are in the mood for some hippity-dippity.
It's super simple. All you have to do is place a button at each of your bedsides, and when you're feeling a little randy, you just anonymously push the button. There's no risk of rejection. If only one of you pushes the button, nothing happens, and your partner's none the wiser. But if your partner's also ready for a pants-off dance-off, they'll press their button. The LoveSync technology combines these anonymous inputs and recognizes that there is consensus. It lets you both know by emitting a swirling glow from the buttons. Pressing the button multiple times sets a longer time period that you'd be down for boppin' squiddles.
Rumpus humpus.
Hack in the sack.
2-person push-ups?
It's amazing for those times where you wouldn't mind being surprised in the middle of the night.
Which I avoided in the past, fear of waking the beast.
We surveyed couples across the globe and over 50% said they would initiate more often if they knew they wouldn't be rejected by their partner. LoveSync is perfect for partners because it alleviates sexual frustration.
Now you'll always know when you and your significant other are ready for sexy time.
So if you think LoveSync can help you, why not try it?
Back us today and get your LoveSync on.
Introducing Stemoscope, an advanced stethoscope designed with STEM education and recreations in mind. Very affordable, compact, easy to use, and with rich features through an app. Traditionally, a stethoscope has to be used, and it is quite cumbersome and lacks features such as visualizing these insightful and engaging sounds and recording them for studies and sharing. We set out not only to overcome all these deficiencies, but to add portability, ease of use, and rich features to make listening to these engaging sounds a fun, informative, and entertaining experience. Turn on the Stemoscope, start the app, press listen, and you can start to hear the sounds of life. Just place the Stemoscope where you are interested and start to listen. Now, let's listen to some sound samples Stemoscope recorded. Earphones are needed because the built-in speaker in your smart device is not good at playing bass sounds. Simply put the Stemoscope over the heart. You can hear the lub-dub heart sounds. If you have a blood pressure monitor, you may listen to the blood pressure sounds. Traditionally, blood pressure is measured with a cuff and a stethoscope, and the stethoscope is used to detect the sounds of blood flow during cuff deflation, so-called Korotkoff sounds. If you have a pet, you may communicate with him or her by listening to and learning from his or her heart. You may choose to have your pet wear it so that your pet can move freely when you listen. If you are a new mom, you may record your heartbeats and play them to your baby. Your baby may enjoy them because these are the sounds your baby enjoyed when he or she was still in the womb. Trees create rich songs too. Listening to trees can reveal the connections between us and nature. Place a Stemoscope on a tree trunk and you may hear a quiet popping sound while the tree is drinking water from its roots. Or a rumbling noise can be heard when a tree moves and vibrates. With advanced audio signal processing that rivals those in a professional digital stethoscope, the Stemoscope lets you rediscover you and the world around you from a fun and informative digital listening experience. Record your womb sounds for your baby. Hear the voice of your backyard tree with your kids. Feel the heartbeats of your loved ones and your pets. Or simply modify your voice for fun. Unlimited fun, information, and education from Stemoscope. Hello, Stemoscope.
Hello, Stemoscope.
Hello, Stemoscope.